How to turn page using volume buttons in Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn the pages. First of all, open the application. Now here, you can select the book that you want to read. Here I am tapping on this book. Now I'm in this interface. Simply double tap on it. Here on the right top, you'll be able to see this AA icon. Tap on this AA icon. Here there are different options and tools available. Simply tap on more. Now slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to see an option called Turn Pages with Volume Controls. Make sure you turn it on. Now this enables you to turn pages using this volume button. So if you go back, it has been enabled, and if you use volume buttons, the page will automatically be changed and you'll be able to move to next one. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.